What is up, guys? It's Silver Sun here, and today we are going to be unboxing One Punch Man manga volume 5, I believe. Or is it 5? Yes, it is 5. So let's just get right into this. Alright, just tearing off some of this packaging. Alright. Just about got it. And here it is. Alright. Obviously, as you can see, they're taking like picture together. Sejima's kind of cropped out though in the image. I don't know. Still looks nice. Right here we got Moomin Rider about to fight the Sea King. Let's just flip through this real quick. Alright, one. Oh, sorry, people. Trying to catch the balloon. Oh, dang. Getting right into it. Huh. It's raining. Oh yeah, they all went in and they tried to fight him. Send something. Doesn't Genos fight him? Or something? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Saitama sees it. Yeah, I like that part. Oh yeah. He goes in and then he comes back. Dang, yeah, I messed up. Oh yeah, the kid, he gets shot with acid. Huh, shining in tatters. Okay. Yeah, he got messed up in that part. And then, yeah, Moomin Rider comes in. Everyone starts to cheer for him. But then, yeah, he gets back up. Everyone's cheering for him. And then he gets knocked down and Saitama comes in. It's raining, so... okay. Yeah, he's saying it's raining, and then... Bang! Nice illustrations here. Especially in these big... Even in the small ones, like... I don't know. It looks really nice. Oh yeah, they're calling him... That one guy called him a fraud. Essentially. Oh, what's all this? Oh yeah, he wrote a much more strongly worded letter in the anime, but is what it is. Yeah, he gets promoted to rank 1, I believe, and then has a flashback about him. Oh yeah, I guess not. Huh, alright, whatever. Got the bonus manga. Okay. Not really sure what that's about, but yeah. That's basically it. I mean, still looks nice though. It's crazy, but yeah, that's basically it for this. I mean, one thing I have to say that I like about these mangas is that they have this little like bonus manga like at the end and whatnot. You know, I mean, it doesn't really have much to do with, well, I mean, most of the time it does, but like, I don't know, it's just a nice little extra thing that they have there and stuff like that. I think it's really good, but tell me what you guys think of this. Do you like it? Do you hate it? The manga version of it, I have to say I like it so far. I think it's really good. You know, it may not be as like fluid as the anime version, obviously, but it still has some really nice illustrations and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's basically it, guys, and until the next one, Silver Sun is out.